I think I've grown up
Okay.
around builders.
So, different ways of doing snap induction. So the most common one would be to get the client to put their focus on something completely different. So I've got my right hand, so I'm this side of Rosie obviously, got my right hand here, my left hand is behind Rosie so she can't see it. So I'm asking Rosie to focus on my finger, and then remember we talk about eye fixation, and then it's immediately hand over the head, snap, and shout out sleep very loudly, then with the other hand just very gently moving the head, then hand on the shoulder and just deeper, 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 deeper. So that's one. Yeah. So again, we won't do it for real because it's just for show. So by looking at my finger, Rosie's attention and her conscious mind is on that, and then it's sleep, deeper, 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 deeper. So it's said with authority. You don't have to say sleep, you can say anything, but sleep's the one that's most commonly understood. Now another one, if I can just borrow your arm, you can have it back afterwards. If you put your arm out straight and make a fist, okay, and stare at your knuckle. So again, it's focusing on the one thing. Now, what I'm going to do is put my hand on Rosie's shoulder and on her fist and begin to tap gently. And then you say to your client, what I'm doing, I'm making your arm stronger. As though, as I'm tapping, your arm is like a steel bar. So again, it's getting to use your imagination. So your arm is solid like a steel bar. And then, when your arm is absolutely solid, I'm going to try and bend it. So make sure that steel bar is so strong that I can't bend your arm. And really go for it, try it. And again, I can't do it, I'm really pushing it. Then you say to your client, just make that bar so strong that you can't bend your own arm. So just make that bar so strong you can't bend your own arm. And you see them try, at which point it's sleep. Because all of a sudden, there's that confusion. There's that, I can't bend my own arm. And the conscious mind goes, what the? And sleep, bang. Okay. Now another one is...
Could you do the same with eye fixation? Where you get them to try that, or is that not just enough?
Well, we're filming at the moment, so edit that bit. So, because this will go out to the group. So, if you could, so this one is stage hypnotist like this because it makes the client feel like a bit of a fool, and it's funny to the crowd. So I don't want to make you look like a fool, but
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I've been doing all that. So again, if I just have your arm, please. Okay. Now this time, what I'd like to do, let it go loose and relax your arm right the way down. Okay, and just hold your arm like that. And this arm, and hold like that. Okay, so all of a sudden you feel like a bit of a wally, self-conscious and all the rest of it. Now I'm going to start tapping on your back. Okay, so all of a sudden physical sensations going on, feeling a bit strange. Now what I'd like to do, Rosie, is just spell out your name.
R O S.
No, your surname.
N E.
No, backwards. And sleep. Okay.
Confusion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You did that to me, and I think it was module 1, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. So another one would be the eye fixation. So you asked me about eye fixation earlier. But what I'd like to, actually no, we'll do something different. So imagine that I'm sitting on a chair, but the most important thing is my forearm is braced against my knee. Now what I'd like to do, Rosie, is put your hand on mine. No other reason, I just like holding Rosie's hand really. Now press. No, really press. For God's sake, press. Okay, so you wait till they're really, really pressing. They're not going to press your arm down because it's all. At that point, I won't do it for real, but at that point, you move your hand away and sleep. So, because when you move your hand away, so just and I won't let you fall forward, but just press down again. Okay, and you move your hand away, and boom, you see the whole body goes, and you get that slight shock.
Yeah.
So again, that's a good time just to go to sleep. So the whole "don't look into my eyes" stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Don't
Look around the eyes. Don't look into the eyes, look around the eyes. It was a TV thing.
Yeah.
So again, what you do is you ask your client to look into your eyes. Okay, just look into my eyes. Wait for a reaction, just like that. And just look into my eyes. Just look into my eyes. Sleep.
If you're laughing.
Yeah, the moment you get a reaction. Yeah. Ask the
Oh, shame, Chris. Don't be offended by that. She's like that with everybody.
Do you know what? When I won, oh no, I'm recording.